At this stage of presentation program, I would like to call Mr. Saurabh Chakraborty, batch 22, ID number 1070. Please come on the dais and say something about your presentation topic in front of audience. Big claps for him. Big claps.
Hello everyone, how are you? Nice to. That's a great time, all of you. I am Saurabh Chakraborty, behalf of my batch 222. Now, I want to say something about my today's presentation about traffic jam. It's the most common problem in our city, basically Bangladesh. There is no many traffic control. There is no have a law specifically. That's why you're suffering always traffic jam. And here present, maybe physically he's not present here. Our MDs are Asadul Islam Rajan, and here present our host. And here my brothers and sister. You will take my salam and love. There is many things of traffic jam in condition. What is traffic jam? At first, we have to know what is traffic jam. Traffic jam is a situation where there are many vehicles are unable to move on the road. That's called traffic jam. Traffic jam has a most popular problem in basically our Dhaka city. May you know that Dhaka is a world slow city in the world, over the world, for a reason traffic jam. Now I want to say something about main reason of traffic jam. First one, narrow road, and second one, the moreover car and vehicle on this road, damping road, and limited road. That's our most popular. And so one most popular cause of traffic jam, that is illegal parking and careless driving. If we want to remove or develop our traffic system in Bangladesh, we should to take some step. Not only is our citizen duty, it's duty of our government. That's why I want to share with you what is the solution of traffic jam and improving. Number one, building better quality road and improving metro or training system, and hard and rules traffic control and smart traffic control system. That's why we can fixed our or improved our traffic system. One of the most reason of there is many reason have suffering traffic control. One of the most wasting time and air pollution, sound pollution, or etc. There is included traffic jam. If we want to that our traffic jam, we can solve as a good citizen, as a good person, can change nature and one nation. That is my point. Actually, I am a beginner to come here. If any mistake, please forgive me. Thank you all.